Minister of Rural Development and Local Government Faris Al-Rawi said, following the admission via a notarized statement from King's Counsel Vincent Nelson that he paid bribes to former Attorney General Anand Logan and former UNC Senator Gerald Ramdeen, he retained lawyers to address the issue of wrongdoing. Senior Counsel Douglas Mendez wrote an indemnity agreement, which stated the notarized agreement would be given to the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, and the Anti-Corruption Investigation Bureau.
In that indemnity statement as well, the state undertook, on the advice of Senior Counsel, that no civil proceedings would be commenced for the recovery of legal fees that were paid to Mr. Nelson, and also that there would be a certain amount of indemnity if there was a breach of the indemnity in giving that statement to persons who ought not to have that statement.
The former Attorney General said on at least 10 occasions, Mr. Nelson confirmed his guilt to the allegations of bribery in 2019, but he entered into a plea discussion with the DPP.
The Office of the Attorney General had no part or parcel of that, save that I, as Attorney General, carried out my obligations and provided the DPP with the material that was provided to the state, which is the notarized statement, as well as the indemnity settled by Senior Counsel.
Mr. Al-Rawi said the disclosure from the Office of the AG to the DPP, and specifically to Mr. Logan and Mr. Ramdeen, also included civil proceedings brought by Mr. Nelson in which he alleged a breach of the indemnity occurred. But Mr. Al-Rawi said the issue was settled by the Senior Counsel. He also denied several allegations made by Opposition Leader Kamla Persad-Bissessar, one of which included an alleged secret sweetheart deal offered to Mr. Nelson. On calls by the Opposition Leader for his resignation, Mr. Al-Rawi said Mrs. Persad-Bissessar's mission is to unseat her opponents. Kimberly D'Souza, TTT News.